Hello everyone, in this video we are going to perform a very simple Python program. In this program we have to find the length of a list. For example, we have a list and inside the list there are 5 elements. Means numbers are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and there are 5 elements in the list. So the length of the list is 5 and 5 we have to show as an output of the program. So we have to do it in a very simple way. So we have to make a variable first to store the list. We will make mylist equals to, and in the list we will put even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. To find the length of this list we have to use the function len function. len of mylist. So we have to store it in a variable. We'll make it length. Length equals to len of mylist. Now we have to display it as an output. To display it as an output we have to use print. Print the length of list is length. Now this program is fully ready to run. So we will bring the terminal and run it. To run the program we have to type python space name of the file gyanipandit.py. Enter. The length of the list is 10. So there are 10 elements in this list. So we'll increase the element. You can see we have increased the element. Now we will run again. The length of the string is 15. There are 15 elements in this list. So we have performed a very simple Python program to calculate the length of the list. We have a lots of tutorials and courses available for you on Gyani Pandit. You can also explore them. Links are in the description.